Alright, we are doing an unboxing video. It's all the rage with kids these days, from what I understand, and I've been super excited. This is just the first, like I said, of a batch of boxes coming in. Those of you guys who are big Joe fans, I think you know what's coming. I'm so stoked about this thing. Custom 3D printed classified scale triple T with working threads. We are also venturing into the 3D printed market for vehicle accessories. They will be completely distinguishable from the original. Check it out. This is a 1982 Wolverine working threads on this as well.